Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which two fuses to check in case your airbag light is on. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. One of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, and other fuse will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. Checking these fuses is the first and easiest thing to do. If they are both good, then you can focus on doing a bit deeper diagnostics. Then you will have to connect scanner to your OBD2 port and try to get the codes and then follow up on those. So the first fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is right here. Now to remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So all you have to do, you have to pull up on these tabs to release them and then remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check will be located in the top right corner right here, and it's a 10 amp red fuse. Like I mentioned before, second fuse will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just behind this cover. To remove the cover you just want to gently pull it towards yourself and remove it. On the back side of the cover again you will have a small fuse diagram. The fuse you want to check here, it's located right here in the middle, and again it's a 10 amp red fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.